Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Sunday evening prepare for the week routine, cleaning routine, whatever you want to call it, and I hope you enjoy this video. So typically while I cook dinner, I will try and multitask and get some other things done. So on this particular night, and this is what I do every Sunday night, I will pack the lunches for the week. I will make 5 sandwiches and I'll freeze 4 of them for during the week and pack 1 for Monday. This is for my son's school lunch, and typically I'll make Vegemite and cheese sandwiches, good old Aussie staple, and butter and jam just for a little bit of variety. So I'll freeze 4 of the sandwiches and also freeze the leftover bread for during the week, and we'll just toast it just so that it doesn't go stale quickly and that kind of thing. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of decluttering and organizing videos. I'm an aspiring minimalist on a quest to simplify my home, so if that's the kind of content you're interested in, I'd love to have you click the red subscribe button and have a look at what's on my channel. I post videos every week. I'll also pack my cereal, my muesli for breakfast, and then I'll take it to work and eat that in the morning when I'm looking through my emails at the beginning of the day. I'll also start loading the dishwasher and rinsing the dishes that I've used to make dinner so that there's not as much to clean up after dinner. It just helps to shorten the cleanup time after dinner. Usually on a Sunday I'll also empty the rubbish bins if they're getting a bit stinky and a little bit full, and you can see in the white bag here it's actually the bathroom rubbish, but what I've added to that is the kitty litter. So I'll clean out and empty the litter tray for Ernie, our ragdoll cat, and I'll also put that into the bathroom bag just to save on plastic bags and take that all out at one time. It's not always a Sunday night, it just depends on when the bins are getting full. My daughter Toots is always interested when I'm cleaning, and I hope that'll last as she gets older because she always seems eager to help me hang up the washing or put the washing on in the washing machine or load the dishwasher or unstack the dishwasher, so I really hope this will continue as she gets older. I also do a quick vacuum, and I absolutely love my Dyson cordless vacuum. I probably would not vacuum as much as I do if I didn't have the cordless vacuum. It's just so convenient, and it's a lot easier on my back than dragging the big corded vacuum around. I have a corded Dyson as well. I'm not sponsored by Dyson at all, but hey, if they wanted to sponsor me and send me the new Dyson V10 to review, I certainly wouldn't object. I'm a Dyson girl through and through. You can see here that my daughter is already in her pajamas. I actually gave the kids a bath in the middle of the day, and I often do this on a Sunday if they're not going to get grubby in the afternoon, just to help make my Sunday night a little bit easier. When I clean depends on when I feel like cleaning and how dirty things are, so I generally clean the whole house once a week, but I don't always clean on set days. So this day I just happen to be cleaning the bathrooms, and I just decided to get it out of the way because it needed doing and I didn't want to have to worry about it during the week. Here I'm using paper towels to clean the toilet and disposable gloves because I am a bit of a germaphobe and I just can't stand the thought of using cloths to clean the toilet and then having to wash them. And then just for cleaning the bathrooms in general, I want to wear gloves, but I don't want to have to clean gloves that may harbour germs, so I prefer to wear disposable gloves. Not the most minimal waste solution, but for me, you know, being a bit of a germaphobe, it really helps to ease my mind.
Getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted. No, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats up line, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted. No, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh.
Here I'm just sitting down putting my daughter's name on nappies for daycare. Some daycares in Australia or in Sydney will provide nappies for daycare and some won't, but regardless, in any case, I'd rather provide my own nappies because my children have quite sensitive skin and are prone to getting nappy rash. Dinner was finally ready and it was looking delicious. I did a double batch so I could freeze some for during the week. And this recipe is a spring lamb cassoulet, and it's a 28 by Sam Wood recipe, and I'll link his YouTube channel in the description below. I don't mop the floor every Sunday. Generally I'll mop it once a week, but which day I mop the floor varies. But it was just a little bit sticky by the end of the week, so on this particular Sunday night I decided to mop it. And I'm absolutely loving this new mop that I bought. It's like a squirt mop where you squirt the water onto the floor from the mop rather than having to carry a bucket of water around with you. And it's a $15 mop that I bought from Aldi. I think it was part of their special buys catalogue, so I don't know if it's available all of the time, but that's the basic type of mop it is. I'm sure you can get other brands that do that as well. And I'm also using my favorite new cleaning product, which is the Method Squirt Mop. I found this at Big W in Australia, but I know you can also purchase it online from Grove Collaborative and iHerb if you do not have a Big W store near you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it at all helpful, please do me a big favor and click the thumbs up button to like this video, and of course subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!